Welcome to 235 Chadworth Court, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom in Kissimmee. Let's take a look at the neighborhood first. It's a little rainy today, but as you can see right now it's about 12:30 in the afternoon and it's very quiet around here. You got an idea what your neighborhood looks like. Okay, let's go take a look inside. As you walk inside, you walk into your living area, you'll see all the floors of this fantastic luxury floor here. A really nice size living room. You have a fireplace here in Florida. Don't know how much you're going to make use of that. Most of the major areas and the bedrooms have ceiling fans. And over here will be your dining area. As you swing over to your dining area, here's your kitchen. A nice modern kitchen included there for you. Very trendy blue cabinets. You got granite. Everything very much well color coordinated. Here's a view into your backyard. The backyard is totally fenced. Again, here's a view of your kitchen. Here are your appliances. And this house is painted top to bottom, floor to ceiling. If you look up at the ceiling, it's got the new style knockdown texture all the way through. Again, to get your bearings, there's your front door, living area, fireplace, and dining. When you turn right, to your right hand side, you're going to see your garage. Standard 2-car garage, nothing too exciting in here. You turn to your left, you're going to see a pretty big master bedroom. 2 sets of windows, full of natural light. You can see it's got double closets for you to put your stuff in. Again, you got a view to the backyard. Let's take a look. Look inside. Here's your master bathroom. You can see you have a beautiful modern master shower, a little niche over there. Very attractive. White toilet fittings, white vanity, mirror, and nice lighting on top. And again, lots of natural light. You get an idea of the master shower. So that's what that looks like. Coming out of the master bedroom, I'm going to go over to the next side of the house. This is a split plan. So on the left side, here's another bedroom. Very generous sized bedroom once again, won't be disappointed. Window to the front. There is your double closet door. That's bedroom 2. Bedroom 3 is right next to it. Again, very nicely sized bedroom, pretty big actually. Ceiling fans in all these rooms. Go across. Here's bedroom number 4. Master closet, not a master closet, it's just a regular closet, but you can see the size of it, it's pretty big. Here's your bedroom. This bedroom number 4 has its own access to the bathroom as well, bathroom number 2. And you can see how nicely that has been finished. All in all, you can see it's a real nice modern house with some really good finishes in it. There's your body. That's it. Okay, that's your second bathroom. Look at the exit. And that's it. This is 235 Chadworth. Come back out. There's your front door. Here's your dining space. And here's your beautiful kitchen.